I have stomach cancer and I'm losing my stomach in 42 days. Less by the time this video is posted. And I'm gonna have to share the one bathroom in my house with a toddler. I thought I was gonna have more bathrooms when I scheduled the surgery. And I don't know if you know this about stomach removals, but having one bathroom is kind of a problem. The house that I bought in 2021 has been under construction for over a year now. And we thought that the construction would be done by the beginning of July for when we scheduled my surgery. It won't be. So now, given the choice between 3 bathrooms to destroy and keep my family from suffering, I only have the one bathroom to destroy, which my family has to suffer in. I feel so bad for my toddler and wife. Also, I don't have anywhere for people to stay if they want to stay at my house and help during my recovery. All I have is a couch right now. Oh boy. But yes, I am moving into a house with 3 bathrooms, and I feel extremely lucky for that. See, I was supposed to get my stomach out back in April, about 2 weeks after we found out I had stomach cancer. But after a few tests and scans, we decided to wait a while because we had the choice. So we decided to move the surgery until after the new house was done. Listen, these past 9 months have been insane for my family. We lost my second daughter, then we lost another pregnancy, and then I found out I had cancer. People keep asking my wife and I how we have been able to keep going through all of this. And honestly, if I had gotten my stomach out in April, that would have broken me. It truly would have broken me. So to have the choice of a shitty thing happening when I wanted it to was truly a breath of fresh air. See, when you lose your stomach, you lose more than just a place for food to stay until it's ready to move down to the intestines. You also lose an ability to eat sweet treats. And that's a problem besides the fact that I'm a sweet boy and I love sweet treats. If you do eat sweet treats, you shit your pants in about 2 minutes or 2 hours. Who knows? It's a fun game you get to play with your body. And the syndrome is called dumping syndrome. And it's exactly what it sounds like. See, when you eat sweet treats with a stomach, your stomach tells your blood how much sugar should be in your blood. And if you don't have a stomach, your body doesn't know how much glucose to produce. So you end up getting lightheaded, fainting, or shitting your pants. So you can see why I would like a second bathroom in this situation that I'm in. I did find out, though, that only about 30% of people experience dumping syndrome from a dietitian I spoke with at City of Hope, who knows this very well. So that was kind of nice. But as I bet you can infer, statistics in the past 9 months have not really been on my side, so we'll see. But hey, we'll see. You know, it's all going to be really fun to find out. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing and watching another one of my videos. See you soon.